Welcome to Best Car Fixes. This is Muhammad Harun Idris. Please subscribe, share, and like. Today we have this car here. It's 2017 Range Rover. Land Rover, as you see here, 2017. Okay, it's beautiful car. Everything will look good as you see here. But the transmission control module was changed. What I'm trying to say is, if you have pre-2017, that means 2016 and down, 2015, 14, 17, till IDS configuration, you can do it with SSD. If after 2016, like 2017 and up, or maybe even 2016, I'm not sure, you have to use a Pathfinder. Land Rover come to 3 stages. The first time start by Land Rover, where you can use the IDS to get Range Rover and Jaguar software together, and Mazda all are together. You can use IDS and do it. Still, IDS software is embedded into SDD. After that, they come with something called Pathfinder. You see, this is a Pathfinder. The Pathfinder either authorized repair or independent repair. Those car here, hold on please. You see here, it look like to start the car, you have to stop the land. After I just update the Land Rover, Land Rover Jaguar SDD, and when you update, you have to restart your computer. But if you need to use the newer cars, you have to have a Pathfinder, and the Pathfinder required to have internet access. You have to have subscription. I don't know if the Pathfinder will communicate with that one or not, but this is the idea of what you need to do if you are using if you need to program a newer Range Rover. Please subscribe, share, and like. And this is a quick idea what you need to do with the Range Rover, or with the newer cars or the older cars. I am going to wait a little bit to see if I will open the software and I will be able to communicate with it. Stay with us. You cannot start crank it because this car has security. This is a Land Rover Jaguar SDD, SDD or SSD, SDD. And Pathfinder, if you need it, you have to have subscription. After you download it, you upgrade the software. If you don't have a subscription, it will not work. So be advised before you waste your time that you have the Range Rover, Land Rover software ready to go. I'm gonna wait for the Windows 7 to start up, and then I will go into see if you see here, maybe this is maybe SDD startup or setup. I will say yes. Next. Yes, I accept. Next. Yes, I have. I already installed it. I don't know why. Next. Next. Next.
You got it?
I'm just it just promote me. There is an update for SDD. Yeah, SDD is asked me there is a SDD configuring the software. I have to download it, and that's the importance of Land Rover. If you need to update the software, please try to put your software, your laptop in your office, and try to do it when you don't need to do any job in a car. Like right now, I'm downloading the SDD update, which is 16.2, and it forced me to do it. But guess what? You have to put the computer somewhere and be sure that you are going to update the software. It may take longer or it may not take longer. But you see, this is here. It says several minutes to complete. So you have no other choice. But If you are doing anything pre-2016, it's not a problem. You will be able to do it. But after that, you have to use Pathfinder. Pathfinder have nothing to do with SDD, but you have to have SDD already up to date. Hopefully this information is okay. And if we are able to get Pathfinder, I will come and show you how does it work and how to do the work and it finish it. Please subscribe, share and like, and see you in another video. This is Muhammad Harun Idris.